Sine x to the power of cos x equal to 1. We want to find x is 1. For solving this problem, look here, something to the power of something equal to 1. And we can see that we should see the formula. For example, when we have a to the b equal to 1, under what conditions it is 1. Let's consider the first case. If a is 1, then a to the b is 1. Second case, if b is 0, but a shouldn't be 0. Because if a be 0, 0 to the 0 is undefined. Can you tell me third case is what? So for third case, a is -1, but b should be something. For example, let me tell you an example, -1 to the power of 4 over 3. Then it will be what? It will be -1 to the power of 4, to the power of 1 over 3. -1 to the power of 4 is 1. Cube root of 1, it's 1. Look, you can say b equal to 2m over n, which m and n are relatively prime, okay, when we divide. So, why? Because -1 should reach to the power of even number. M and n are integers, and highest common factor or GCD of m and n should be 1. So we should consider these three cases for solving this problem. Let's consider first case. A is 1. Here in this problem, A is what? A is sine x, and B power is cosine x. In this case, power A base is 1. So we should analyze sine x should be 1. So the sine of which angles equal to 1? If we consider the unit circle, let me consider, for example, with other color, unit circle, we have this, we have this. So the vertical, it's unit circle for trigonometric things, it is for sine x, it is for cos x. On which point sine x is 1? Only one point here, 90 degree, or x equal to pi over 2 plus 2k pi, which k is an integer. So it is our first answer. Let's consider and see can we have any other answer. Second. So it is our first answer. Let me draw a rectangle around this. Next one, we say okay. If we have b should be 0. B was what? B was power. And the base shouldn't be 0. So b power base, which is sine x, is not 0. And cos x, which is power, is 0. Cos x is 0 for which points? For this point we have, and we've calculated here in case 1. And as you can see here, sine is not 0. Sine is in this case. In these two cases, cos is 0. So we should add these two parts. I write both of them, but I consider a new one only. X equal to pi over 2 plus 2k pi for this part, and here negative pi over 2. So let's write it as plus minus pi over 2 plus 2k pi. Again, which k is an integer. So it is our second answer. Let's draw a circle. Now let's consider last case. A is -1. A is what? The base. Sine x. Sine x is -1. And b is what? B, which is cos x, should be 2m over n. Okay? Which m and n are relatively prime. So sine x equal to -1. Let's write it with another color. Let's select. Let's see, this color is okay. Cos x is sine x is -1. We can consider this sign. Okay. So if we consider this sign, sine x is -1. In this part, cos x, so sine x is 0 is -1. Cos x will be what here? 0. And 0 is what? Is 2 times 0 over 1. HCF of 0 and 1, m and n. Here, m is 0, n is 1. And as you can see, HCF of 1 and 0 is what? Is 1. They are relatively prime. Now, in this case, again, we find something that we've calculated that before. X equal to negative pi over 2 plus 2k pi, and k is integer. Okay, so we can draw a rectangle around this again. So let's see all our answers. Pi over 2 plus 2k pi plus minus pi over 2 plus 2k pi. Negative pi over 2 plus 2k. So if we want to write all our answers for this problem, we can say x equal to, x equal to, in general, plus minus pi over 2 plus 2k pi, which k is an integer. If we consider all our answers, we have this. Okay. If you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.